I have 5 items I want to review with you this evening. The first of those is an update on the ADA sidewalk improvements along 2nd Street, stretching from I-35 to Santa Fe. This project involves correcting all the non-compliant and missing pedestrian elements in that area to include sidewalks, ramps, pedestrian signals, and striping. The design is now about 60% complete and will be reviewed by ODOT in the near future. The tentative bid letting for this is May of next year, with construction to start next fall. The project cost is about $4.2 million, and we were aided in that with a grant of a little over $2.1 million from ACOG, and the remaining $2.1 million is funded through the 2000 capital improvement sales tax. This project's also part of the city's 20-year ADA transition plan, which probably a lot of people are not aware that we have, but we have had that. It's a formal plan that's in place. Jim Smith is our point person for that, and we anticipate expending about $34 million in ADA expenditures over that 20-year period. The second item is an update on Intelligent Transportation Systems, or ITS. Phase 2 is now substantially complete, but the contractor is still working on a lot of punch list items. We had a lot of those pertaining to this project. As a reminder, this project includes 22 intersections and 3 school zones along Broadway, Danforth, and Covell. The total cost of Phase 2 is about $7 million, and the city will provide about 20% of that, or $1.4 million. Phase 3 also includes about 22 intersections along 15th Street, Kelly, and Santa Fe. In fact, there's an item on your agenda tonight that involves a supplemental appropriation of about $2.2 million to supplement the city's share of this project, and as a result, our total share of Phase 3 will be about $4.1 million. We believe that ODOT will award a bid for Phase 3 sometime in December, and all of the city's matching funds for the ITS phases come from the 2000 capital improvement sales tax. Third item is an update on the Hafer Park AC Caplinger baseball field project. Much needed renovations to this complex will upgrade these fields to a more tournament quality level, improving youth sports in Edmond and increasing sports tourism as well. Our people are reviewing the final documents now, and the plan is to bid Phase 1 of the project by the end of the year. Phase 1 improvements will include 4 new fields with brick backstops, LED lighting, coated fencing, excellent playing surfaces, and shade structures. Additional upgrades in the area will include a new parking lot, improvements to the existing parking lots, landscaping, better traffic and pedestrian flow as well, and a maintenance building. Funding for all phases of that project will come from the 2017 capital improvement sales tax. The fourth item is an update on renovations to the Service Blake soccer complex. Our people are reviewing the initial phase of these renovations with the design firm, with stormwater detention being the major item that they're trying to get finalized so they can move forward. The plan is to have the design completed by the end of the year and then bid the project early next year. Phase 1 will focus on the infrastructure on the west side of the complex. The 2 concession and bathroom buildings and the maintenance sheds will all be demolished and will be replaced with tournament level facilities and a new maintenance facility as well. Other items in the Phase 1 project include new landscaping, sidewalks, an additional drop-off entrance, and new signage. The new building on the northwest corner will have a large concession area along with coaching rooms, bathrooms, and a spectator shade area. The building on the southwest corner will be smaller, but will have a similar layout, similar aesthetics as well. The estimated price tag for Phase 1 is about $5.7 million, and the funding will come from the 2017 capital improvement sales tax. And then my last item is an update on sales and use taxes. The prognosis remains good. It is good for this month. We continue to be very blessed, very fortunate with these two critical revenue sources. Sales tax collections were up about 6.5% above the same month a year ago. Now cumulatively for the year, we're up about 7.4%. Use taxes increased almost 22% for this month, and we're up over 14.5% for the year. Our combined collections are up about 9% for the year. And to put that in a better perspective, our annual budget projections included a 3.25% increase for sales tax this year and a 10% increase for use tax. So our economic news continues to be very, very good.